Hello, this is Kevin Benedict, Social, Mobile Analytics, and Cloud Analyst with Cognizant, reporting live this week from Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress. And I have the pleasure of spending time with Benjamin Wesson, who's the Vice President of Product Management for M2M with SAP.
Hello, Kevin.
Hi there, Benjamin. Talk to us about what's new and what's going on in the world of M2M and SAP.
Well, what we're trying to do at SAP is take a lot of the core assets that we've already taken to market, like HANA, event stream processing, mobility, and cloud, and combine them to jumpstart our foray into M2M. And what we're doing is taking a customer-centric approach. So we're starting with some of our big customers that do things like vending. And you can see here behind us is a vending machine. And we're working with these customers to figure out what they can do around M2M, around bidirectional communication. And for example, we've got a customer, and what they do is they look at the types of purchases people are doing from vending machines, which they can do via a near-field communication in their cell phone, and then they make offers to them about other things they can buy, combinations of things in the soda machine, and they can also do variable pricing, so that the pricing of the items in the vending machine will change depending on what's going on. We're also working with companies that make assets, like for example wind turbines. And wind turbines, because they're expensive to service, because they're complex to operate, a lot of data coming out of that field. And so these people want better tools to manage and control their assets remotely in the field. So that's what we're doing with M2M.
So bi-directional, by that you mean that the machine is reporting inventory or its status through a series of sensors?
That's correct. Like the vending machine, they get real-time updates on the inventory levels of each product. So already this means that a technician doesn't have to go to every single vending machine on their route. And it means that by skipping those that don't need to be replenished, they can save 30-40% just on that alone.
Wow, and so if there's problems or low inventory, they just know about it right away and can plan accordingly.
Yeah, and it's not just the inventory itself, it's the actual machine. So let's say there's a problem with the compressor in this machine, and maybe the sodas are getting too warm. Well, they'll know about that before it happens. So what we can do is define conditions that we can pick up from these data streams. Like, for example, if the temperature changes in a given interval of time, we can say, well, that's alarming. We should do something about that before the machine breaks. So we call that predictive maintenance as opposed to preventative maintenance. It means that we can keep this machine operating 24/7 and it never goes down, so you'll always be able to get a soda.
Awesome. So this kind of vending machine environment would connect to SAP through what?
Typically through the cloud. So these machines are wirelessly connected. So if you saw the announcement today with Ericsson, these machines will have SIMs in them. A platform like Ericsson's DHCP can manage the SIMs, and then we can pick up the data from the cellular communication, process it, and then communicate with the device via adapters and APIs that they provide for us.
Great. Well, Benjamin, I want to thank you so much for sharing this exciting new field for SAP.
Thank you for having me.